How to fix cannot complete action on family sharing while inviting member on iPhone. So if you want to fix cannot complete action on family sharing while inviting member on your iPhone, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If not, you can go and open up your airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off. Once done, your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings, then go with your Apple account. From here, scroll down and then go with family. Tap on suggestions or tap invite others, then carefully enter Apple ID and password of your family members. Tap on next, and after that, you'll be able to invite others and add to your Apple ID. If that doesn't work, then check for Apple ID restrictions. Open up your settings, scroll down, and then tap on the screen time option. Then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Make sure to turn it off. Just follow these steps and you should be able to fix the cannot complete action on family sharing issue when inviting members. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.